How to edit this beautiful sky swap effect video using Capcut editing application. In today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on teaching you how to edit this kind of beautiful video using Capcut editing application. If you're interested to learn, don't go fast, stick to this video and watch it to the end.
Alright, we are here on Capcut. Let me show you how I recorded the video. Then after that, we can now continue with the tutorial. Okay, let me play the video. This is how I recorded the video, waving my hand as though I was swapping through something or swapping the sky. Okay, now this is the end of the video. Okay, let me pause it here. Now highlight the video, come to split and then split the video, come to delete to remove this side. This side is unwanted parts. Now take the video to the beginning and then click on this very arrow, on this very plus sign button. Click on album, because I know the folder where I downloaded them. This download. Now let me head over to it and swipe up. Okay, the first sky, the second one, which one should I go for? Okay, third, fourth, fifth, then the sixth. Then you come over to this very add button and click on it. Okay, now head over to that very video that you recorded, click on it and then search for overlay. Search for overlay, which is this. Then click on it, click and hold and take it to the beginning of the entire video. Okay, it will now appear like this. Okay, now the next thing which you need to do is to highlight the recorded video, which is this one, by touching it bar here. Okay, if I'm too fast, let me know on the comment section. Now look for remove BG, that is remove background. Here is it. Click on it and choose the third option, chroma key. Now having clicked on chroma key, come to this circle. There is a circle inside here. Touch it and take it upward until the sky of the main video disappears. Come to this intensity, take it to 50 or to 49 or something close to that. Click on this very check mark key. Okay, once you have it clicked, come over to this very sky, this one that I'm touching here. Touch it. Now you will see a triangle here. Now click and zoom it out and take it up like this. Very good. What you need to do next is to take the video forward to where your hand is about to swipe. Very good. Position it this way. Come to that very sky. Already you have highlighted it. Click on split here and come over to this side and delete it. Repeat the same process until you get to the end of the video. Then zoom this one and take it up as well as you did in the other one, and then take it forward to where you are about to swipe. Very good. This position is okay. You already having it highlighted. Click on split, come to delete to remove that unwanted part, remaining this one. So take it forward and then zoom it in so that it will cover the empty background of the sky. Now take it to where you are about to swipe. Okay, like this is okay. Position this way, return to split, do the same thing as you did in the previous ones. To this side where you return your hand, remember you pushed your hand this way, but this side you return your hand. This is what you will do. Come over to this very particular one, highlight it and then come to duplicate. Okay, once you get to duplicate, click and hold and take it forward. You have it here and you also have it here. Come over to this very one, click on it and then come over here, zoom the sky and have it positioned in the proper way. Now let's play the video before we proceed with the sound. Very good, very nice, very good. Now the next thing which you need to do now, okay, is to leave the first layer of the sky. Come to the second one and have it highlighted. Click on animation to put that effect. Come over to this slide left. Then once you click on it, then click on this very check mark button. Then you come to the second sky, highlight it, click on animation, choose the same left, choose the same slide left and check it. Now come to this one, highlight it and repeat the process. To this very one that you return the sky, this is what you will do. Have it highlighted. Remember we have it here and also we have it here. Now come to it like this and have it highlighted. Click on the same animation. Now look for slide right, click on it like this and checkmate it. Then click on the last layer of the cloud. Okay, click on animation, go to slide left. Okay, let's play the video now. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Very good. All right, now what that remains now is the sound, that whoosh sound. What you need to do now, though I'm going to drop the sound on the comment section. That is if only you are interested to get the sound. Indicate on the comment section, I will send it to you. Now what you will do so that you will not have violation on that sound is to go to YouTube, type a Wolf Sound royalty free comedy sound, then you will see the ones that are without copyright. But if you really need the one I use there, indicate on the comment section. Having this line positioned between the first layer of the cloud and the second one, in between the line, you click on this very return arrow, come to audio, click on audio, okay, click on sound. You can see sound, allow it to load. All right, now come to this place and type Wolf Sound. You can see where I wrote it here, okay, but I'm afraid you might have a copyright issue with the one you searched from this Capcut, so kindly go to YouTube. Due to the fact that I have the sound already on my device, I will click on this memory card sign, click extract, this extract audio from video. I've already extracted it, okay. Now this is the sound. I will just click on add button, it will just appear like this. Very good. What I need to do is to click and remove some unwanted parts. You can see what I'm about to do. Take it to between, see where I'm talking about, between the first and the second beautiful cloud, okay. Let me play the sound. Very good. Now split it here again and then take it to between. Just repeat the action until you are done adding the sound. Alright, this is the end of the tutorial. Once you have the sound applied, the next thing which you need to do is to kindly head over to this export button and click on it. The video will start exporting to your gallery, where you will now upload the video to your page or to your channel. Please help me to share this video so that others will benefit from it. Thank you. See you in my next video.